Hi dear Taurus, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising. I'm a Taurus Sun and I'm so excited to know what is going to happen with me. So this is a reading from 22nd of July till 31st of July, okay? And keep in mind these are general love readings. This might or might not resonate with you, okay? So let's start. And yes, the energies can be reversed anytime, okay? If I'm telling that you are feeling like that, might be the other person is feeling like that, okay? So let's start. Let's see, Taurus, your partner's current energy right now is. Let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is. Eight of Pentacles. Right now, I feel like Taurus, your partner is busy making money. This is the Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, I hope you can see that. Yes. So right now, I feel like your partner is busy making money, working on their business, working on their job. It might also be possible that they want to put in the effort, put in the energy in this connection with you. I will clarify this further. But for most of you, I feel like this person right now is busy making money and focused on their career, trying to focus on their career actually. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles in their current energy. Okay, Nine of Swords, Ten of Swords, Knight of Swords. My God, this person is totally fucked up mentally. Totally fucked up mentally. My God. Okay. So this person is right now very stressed. Very stressed and very anxious. They are not able to sleep. Even they are feeling like they are backstabbed or you betrayed them. You did something that made them really sleepless and restless and they want to just rush into this connection again. They just want to come towards you in a very hurried energy. They just want to come running towards you. This is like I feel like this person don't want to show you what they are currently doing or what they are currently feeling, but they are very stressed, mentally conflicted, not able to sleep, not able to do anything in their life. That's why they are trying to shift their focus on the money thing, shift their focus on the career thing. That is what they are doing right now because they're mentally fucked up. That is why they are trying to shift their focus on the money part. I'm laughing because I can understand, I can feel how fucked they are, how messed up they are right now. Let's see what's your current energy, Taurus. The spirit is making me laugh hard, but yeah, I will try my best not to laugh like an idiot. Yeah. So let's see, Taurus, what's your current energy? Knight of Pentacles. So right now, what you are doing, Taurus, is you are slowly but surely moving towards your goals in your life. This is the thing. You're just trying to go with the flow. You're just trying to go with the flow, and you're taking things really very slowly. You're taking very slow steps towards everything in your life. So basically, I feel like right now you're thinking about doing everything. It's like uh, you're not doing just anything just like that. You're just thinking a lot before doing anything. This is the thing. You are taking baby steps. This is the correct word you can say. You are taking baby steps towards your goals and you are feeling very stable. Honestly, you are feeling like, yes, now I'm grounded, now I'm stable, now I can take my own decisions and I'm not going to be desperate or anything like that. I am going to use my Taurus energy and I'm going to focus on my stability and security. Cool, cool. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles in your current energy. Wheel of Fortune, nice. The Emperor could be dealing with an Aries. The Hierophant could be dealing with another Taurus. Okay, so what you are doing right now, Taurus, is your current energy is telling me that the wheels are turning in your favor, surely but surely. You have took some kind of decision. You have took a decision that I'm not going to, be desperate or I'm not going to show the people that how lonely I am or how sad I am or something like that. But you are depressed from inside. I can feel that you are depressed from inside. There's something that is haunting you, but you choose to be silent. You choose to take take the grant of your life in your hands. You have decided that I am going to make my life. It is rebellious energy that you are carrying right now, rebellious, slow and steady. So I feel like you have took a decision that you are going to get married or you are going to be in a stable relationship or committed relationship now you are not going to be in a fling or one night stand or anything like that. Whomsoever or whosoever is not connected to you on that level, Taurus, you are just going to leave them. You are just going to kick their ass and tell them to go away or tell them to fuck off. This is the situation here. So that's why I'm feeling like the tables are turning in your favor now. Universe is with you. The universe is guiding you to slow down, be a rebel, take your decision, think about everything, and then move forward in your life. Don't waste your time in one night stands or stupid things. Because being a Taurus, I myself can understand that we are not into that type of relationships or that type of connections. Okay, we need something solid and stable and secure. That's our first priority, right? That's what we are doing actually right now. That's what all the Taurus right now is doing, their current energy. Okay, let's see what the person feels for you, what this person feels for you, whomsoever you are connected with. Let's see what this person feels for you. Nine of Wands, deeply hurt, but still hopeful that everything is going to be fine soon. This person is feeling like you have created some kind of trouble for them. This person is feeling like although you have hurted them, although you have created some kind of trouble for them, they are mentally conflicted, they are highly attracted towards you, and they are highly attached to you. They are feeling deeply hurt, and they are creating some kind of walls around them. So even though they are deeply hurt, even though they are feeling like you did something wrong with them, they are hopeful that everything is going to be fine between you guys, between you and them. This person is deeply hurt right now, deeply sad, deeply hurt. Their heart is itching, bleeding actually. Let's clarify the Nine of Wands in their feelings for you. They are feeling, for some of you, I feel like this person is feeling like they have hurted you really badly and they have created the gap between you. Okay, let's clarify the Nine of Wands. Oh, Five of Pentacles, the Star. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, the Temperance. You could be dealing with, there's something, a Sagittarius. Okay, you could be dealing with an Aquarius or Sagittarius. So, what this person is feeling for you? This person is feeling like you left them in the cold. You left them hanging on the wall. You didn't give them any kind of reason why you are leaving or why you are betraying them or something like that. So if you're taking a decision for yourself, this person is feeling like you are betraying them. You are doing something wrong with them. What kind of people? What kind of person is this? Bullshit. But yes, again they are very hopeful. Again they are very positive about the future, that everything is going to be fine in the future. Everything is going to be fine in the coming future, near future. Okay, they are trying to balance their emotions. They are trying to be very patient with you, very patient with you. They are trying to balance their temper. I feel like this person is angry, carrying some kind of resentment, but they are trying to be as calm and as mature as possible. Cool. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see, Taurus, what this person wants from you. Okay, they want Four of Pentacles. They want you to release this energy of hold and control. So I feel like this person is feeling like you're trying to control them, or you're trying to control your emotions, or you're trying to control the overall situations of the universe. They want you to release this tension, release this control. So I feel like this person is feeling like you are a control freak or something like that, and they want you to release this controlling issues or controlling nature. Let's clarify the Four of Pentacles as what they want from you. This person is totally fucked up. Again and again I'm getting this. Okay, Two of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. So what this person wants from you is, this person is feeling like you are juggling between two people at the same time, or you are juggling between yes or no or something like that. This person wants you to be a mini celebrity. This person wants you to focus on your health and your business or career, and be something in your life and be happy. Come out, come out of this controlling freak nature. Release this controlling nature. Stop juggling between people, or stop juggling between yes or no conflicting situation. This person wants you to come out and be a mini celebrity. Okay, this person sees you that you are some kind of mini celebrity, and this person feels like you should get all your wishes fulfilled in your life. Oh, that's a very sweet feeling. They want a good thing for you. They want good things for you. They don't want any kind of, you know, bad things for you. Although they are feeling like you should just release the control and talk to them honestly and openly. Open and honest conversation is what they want from you. Okay. Now it is your free will if you want to do it or not. Taurus, you're completely free. Okay. Okay, let's see, Taurus, what to expect from this person till 31st of July, or what is coming towards you till 31st of July. Universe, please tell me what is coming towards the Taurus till 31st of July. Oh, yeah. Five of Cups. Okay. I feel like you are going to feel a little lonely. By the end of July, I feel like you are going to feel a little lonely or sad or depressed. There's something that is making you sad. Or what to expect from this person? Nothing. Taurus, I feel like you should not expect anything from this person as of now, because this person right now is totally lost and sad and depressed, and they're not able to understand what they should do. This is what to expect from this person. This is what is coming towards you from this person's side. Disappointments. So I feel like this person is feeling like this relationship is over, and that's why they are not might be going to talk to you, but they are deeply sad and regretting something that they did with you. Let's clarify the Five of Cups. Ace of Wands, Six of Swords, and the Nine of Pentacles. But I feel like although they are deep and sad and all that blah blah blah, might be you are also going to feel like this. I feel like you are going to feel good afterwards. So, what to expect from this person? Although they are deep and sad and depressed, they want a brand new connection with you. They want to have a maybe physical connection with you, just a physical relationship with you for now. But yes, this is a brand new beginning, a passionate beginning. They want this connection to have a peaceful resolution, to move towards a peaceful, calmer phase of your life, or both of your lives. And again, I feel like this person is going to try to focus on their money, on their business, and they will feel like, okay, I will go back to Taurus, but I'm going to go back to them only when I will be something in my life. I'm not never going to Taurus like that. Okay. So beneath this card of resentment and depression and sadness, I feel like this person is trying their best to make their ends meet, to look good, to feel good, to work on their business, work on their job, and they just want a brand new beginning with you. But no, I don't feel like this is happening till 31st of July. From their side, only sadness and depression and silence is coming towards you. Okay. Although this person is dying to see you, although this person is completely messed up and fucked up, although this person is dying to see you and dying to talk to you, I don't see them coming towards you. They are very fearful. So thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight that you're looking for in your relationship. Hope you will find your answers. Yeah. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the August reading soon. Bye. Take care. God bless you. Bye.